In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PayPal money off hold. Many of us rely on PayPal for transactions, whether it's receiving a payment from a client, a friend, or a family member. However, there are times when payments are put on hold, causing concern and sometimes inconvenience. Today, I'll walk you through the steps you can take to release those funds. First things first, let's head over to PayPal's website and log into your account. Make sure you're on the main summary page, which gives an overview of your account, including any pending transactions. The first method we'll explore is asking the sender of the money to confirm the transaction. If the person who sent you the money logs into their PayPal account, they need to find the specific transaction related to their payment to you. Once they've opened this transaction, they should see a confirm receipt button. By clicking on this button, the money will be released from hold instantly and will immediately be available in your account. This is definitely the quickest way to get your hands on the funds, so make sure to communicate with the sender and guide them through these steps if needed. But what if the sender is unavailable or unable to confirm the receipt for some reason? This brings us to the next method, which involves a bit of patience. PayPal often holds new payments for up to 21 days. This hold is a standard procedure for ensuring the security of both parties involved in the transaction. If the sender doesn't confirm receipt and the payment is still on hold, you'll need to wait for this period to elapse. After the 21-day hold, assuming there's no issue such as a refund request from the sender, the money will be automatically released into your account. Now let's look at some steps you can take directly from your end. On PayPal, you can check what's on hold by going to your account summary and clicking through the specific transaction details. This section provides insights into the hold status and any available actions you might take. Furthermore, if applicable, you might see an option to add tracking information. If your transaction involves shipping a physical item, providing a tracking number can expedite the release of your money once the item is delivered and confirmed by the buyer. Finally, to avoid future holds on your payments, you might consider requesting that the sender use the friends and family option when sending money. Payments sent this way are generally received instantly without being put on hold, unlike those sent under goods and services. Keep in mind, though, that the latter offers more buyer protection, so assess what's right for your transactions. And there you have it, some practical steps to release funds from PayPal holds and prevent these holds in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now better equipped to manage this aspect of your PayPal account. Thanks for watching and good luck.